Mickey Glaze here with another fantastic product from Chemical Guys. Today we've got the all-new Swift Wipe. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the bottle, open it, pull the trigger, spray mist, take a towel, straight line wipe. Let's get started. Bam, bam, bam! Hey guys, today we've got this brand new product, Swift Wipe, and I'm going to show you how to use it on this Ferrari. Now it doesn't matter if you drive a daily driver, economy car, truck, SUV, anything. We're going to show you how it works on this Ferrari because one, we have it here, and also it has sensitive paint, so if it works on this, it's going to work for you. Now all you have to do is shake up the bottle and gently mist it on the surface just like you would with any waterless wash. But the difference is there's no wax in this. So what you're doing is you're actually adding a layer of sealant, which isn't going to haze, it's not going to flash like it would with wax, but it's still going to pick up anything that's on the surface. Like this car has some water spots, it has fingerprints, some kind of oil residue. And we're going to start up here and just working in straight lines, just like we always do. We're going to pick up the dirt and also roll the towel just so we have a fresh edge. And you can see that there was a layer of dirt on there. It's not a completely thrashed or really messy car, but there is some grime on there. Now we're just working our way down to reveal that high shine, and we're also adding a layer of protection, which is going to make it harder for dirt and grime to stick for future, so it's going to be nice and clean for as long as it can. So if you come over here, you can see that there's a pretty big difference between this now clean, smooth side against the dirty side that has road grime, debris, bird droppings, whatever else that could have landed on it. And this is a great way to clean your car without the need of a bucket, a hose, pressure washer, and a foam cannon. You simply spray it on and wipe it off. Now what's unique about the formula is it's going to help trap and emulsify anything that's on the surface. And this way you can just easily wipe it off and it gets trapped inside of the towel. This way you're not shaking it all over the vehicle, and then you can keep your car as clean as you can, clean as possible. So you can also use this on your clear optical plastic like your headlights. You can move over here to your glass. This is an area where water spots and any kind of road grime builds up. So now you can easily wipe off anything that's on the surface and restore your ultimate clarity without having to use glass cleaners and multiple towels. You just wipe it off, and now you have a layer of sealant which is going to help repel water spots and grime. And it's also going to make it easier to clean in the future. So you can also use that same repelling technology on your wheels. Your brakes, they kick up a lot of dust. So all I have to do is spray it on the surface, and then taking a towel. This towel is already pretty filthy, so now we're just going to use it on the wheel here. Typically you want to use a black towel or something that's going to hide a lot of the filth, but just to show you that there's still a lot of dirt on these wheels. Even though they look clean, there's actually something hiding on the surface. We'll just wipe it off in the same manner that we did on the vehicle to reveal a factory finish and a high shine. So I'm going to finish off the rest of the vehicle. In the meantime, guys, head over to the website to pick up this product for yourself. I know you're going to love it. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.
I don't know what you have to lose.